Today we are going to make shahi paneer. So first of all, we will heat ghee in the pan. After that we will add 1 spoon jeera, 1 spoon ginger garlic paste and tomato, onion and green chili paste which we have already prepared. After that we have to leave it for 15 to 25 minutes at sim. This is the result which we get. After that we will add salt to taste, red chili, 1/4 spoon haldi, garam masala and shahi paneer masala. After that we will mix it well. After mixing properly we will have to add cream in it. You can also use malai instead of the cream. Then you have to mix it properly. After mixing, add 2 spoon sugar in the mixture. Then cut paneer into small pieces or in of any size which you want. After that, add paneer pieces into the shahi paneer masala which we have already made. Then again mix well. After that add milk or malai or cream as you wish. Then your shahi paneer is completely ready. Let us taste it. What is here?
बहुत टेस्टी है।
बहुत टेस्टी टाइप नहीं बने। बाय बाय।